Hi, welcome to the For Seller channel. This video will guide you on how to create sub-accounts to manage your store. Click the Settings button, click Staff Settings to enter the Staff Account Settings page, and click Role Manage button to add role. You need to edit role name. Description, set permissions. For-Seller support setting all permissions or partial permissions. If you select all permissions, it means that your sub-account has the same functions as your main account. You can also select some permissions such as purchasing, tools, and other modules. Finally, click Save to save the role settings. And then we'll click the staff settings to add a new staff account. On the Add a New User page, enter the email address of the new staff account, select Shop which sub-account can manage and the role you set. Finally, click Invite. For-Seller will send an invitation email to the email address. Then click Accept Invitation from your email to enter the password setting page to set the password and other information. And then click Set Password button. You can edit your staff on the sub-account settings page. You can delete the account or continue to add it. In the role management page, you can also edit, delete, or continue to add roles. If you are interested in For-Seller, you can subscribe to our channel. We will update new features from time to time. Thank you for watching.